Hi everyone and welcome to my cooking diary. Today I'm going to show you how to make pizza at home with homemade pizza sauce and homemade pizza dough. Please check the link in the description box below for my recipe for homemade pizza sauce. Let's get started.
I have taken half a cup of lukewarm water. Make sure that your water is lukewarm, neither too hot nor too cold, otherwise your yeast will not get activated. To this we will add 1 teaspoon of yeast, 3/4 teaspoon of sugar. We'll give it a mix. Cover this with a plate and we will let the yeast mixture sit for 10 minutes. Our yeast mixture has been sitting for 10 minutes and the yeast is now activated. It will have all the bubbles and frothiness. I will give you a close look. It's time to make the pizza dough now. In a large bowl, take 3/4 cup of atta or whole wheat flour, 3/4 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. Make a little space in the center. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of honey, and now we will add our yeast mixture. Gently mix all the ingredients together. Once this is done, we will knead the dough on the kitchen slab. Try to bring everything together. You can even add little water gradually if you think that your dough is little hard. Just follow one simple step, stretch and roll. So I have added 1/4 cup of water gradually to knead the dough. So basically it has taken me total of 3/4 cup of water including the yeast mixture. Stretch and roll and knead for 10 minutes more. This is how my dough looks like after 10 minutes of kneading. You have to now tuck in the dough from the side and make a smooth ball. Pat your dough in between. So this is the final look of the dough. I'll give you a close look. In the same bowl, take little olive oil and cover your entire bowl with it. Take your pizza dough and smear some little olive oil on top as well. Now we will cover our bowl with a cellophane wrap to make it airtight and we will let it ferment for minimum of 8 hours or overnight. I have fermented my dough for 20 hours and you can see that it has doubled in size. We will deflate the dough now and we have to actually knead it again. But before that, notice that the dough is so stretchy right now and full of air bubbles. See the texture. For kneading the dough, we'll take some plain flour on the kitchen slab. Take the dough and knead it for another 5-7 minutes till the dough have come together. We have to follow again the same simple rule of stretch and roll to make a smooth ball. Our pizza dough is now ready and you can now use it right away. You can also keep it in an airtight container in the fridge and store it for 2 to 3 days easily. You can even freeze it if you want to use it even after 2 to 3 days. Let's make the pizza now. So I have taken a non-stick tawa and smear some olive oil all over it so that the pizza dough doesn't stick. This is a pizza dough and I'll take half of the portion to make one medium pizza. I'll spread the pizza dough with my fingers If you're not able to do so, you can also use a rolling pin and then keep your pizza dough on the pan. But I find this method much better. Our pizza base is ready. I'll take a fork and prick some small holes. Take the pizza sauce and spread it all over the base. The link to the homemade pizza sauce is in the description below. Please check that video as well. Now we have taken mozzarella cheese and we are spreading it over the pizza. For the flavor, I have also used processed cheese. I will spread that cheese as well. For the toppings, I have used red, green and yellow bell peppers. You can be creative with the toppings. Add little onions and some olives. When you're happy with the toppings, the pizza is ready to be cooked. I have kept the tawa on a very low flame. We'll cover it with a lid and let it cook like this for 10 to 15 minutes or till it is properly done. It's been 15 minutes now. Open the lid and check that your pizza is cooked. Take a fork and prick it in between to check. Also check the bottom of the base. It's quite hard and now it's done. You can serve your pizza as it is, or you can even bake it in a preheated oven for 5 minutes more to give it a golden brown top. This is what I have done. But remember, this is completely optional. Transfer the pizza from the tawa and cut it into slices. Let's pull out a slice and see how it is. Oh God, look at this, guys. Oh my God. This is how it looks. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bye bye.